Hey, what's up, everybody? So you guys were requesting my $3,180 trade breakdown on ticker FSR today. This was straight off the watch list. 2793 is my account number. I'm showing you this to verify the profits. These are real profits. This was posted in my Discord server at 6:34 a.m. So 4 minutes after the market opened. Let's break down the trade first. I'm going to show you guys on the daily chart time frame why I felt comfortable taking this trade as early as I did. FSR has been something that we've been looking at for quite some time. It met this same level of resistance right here at 18 about a week and a half ago, and then has since pulled back, right? And so it started to form this big bull pennant pattern. All right, while it was doing this, it was still validating that old resistance as a new support. So I've just been waiting on this ticker to push up and break that 17 level and move to the top side. All right, it just so happened that today it got some news. So it was an analyst upgrade, which pushed the stock over that 17 mark, right? And so it ran from about, let's say 15 point, let's just say yesterday's closing price at 16, opened up pretty close to 17, right? So it hit 17, pulled back, had this nice push just before the open, and then formed a bull pennant pattern. All right, that's a series of higher lows and lower highs. That's a very bullish formation. So that bull pennant pattern, the fact that it was breaking out of the daily chart time frame bull flag pattern, and it was trading just under that major level of resistance, which we've already pegged right here at let's say 18.5, that's telling us that if this breaks out of this bull pennant pattern, it has potential to run and test 18.5. That's exactly what it did. And that profit margin, by the way, you're looking at 6.27%. So I took the trade on the or about halfway through this candle right here. So it opened up and went red, which was kind of expected, pushed up, and then I saw it start to break out right here. I market bought into this position. Halfway through, I got a pretty decent fill and took 30% right at the top. So 633, it hit that resistance, started pulling back. I sold and then posted the profits, and that was it. This was tradable multiple times though, right? So if you're using the 5-minute chart time frame, this was also a little formation right here that it formed where it broke out topside, was testing the high of day. That was your kind of indication that, hey, it's breaking this downward trend line. It may have potential to go. If you miss that move, look, it pulled back, tested that old 18.5 resistance point as a new support, and then popped up again to test, well, almost the high of day. So this was tradable multiple times, guys. But yeah, my trade that I took was right there in the morning on the 1-minute chart time frame. I had a few reasons to be bullish on this ticker, right? The news was good. It was forming a bullish formation pre-market, and the daily chart time frame was forming a bullish formation. Amazon was another one. I'll break that one down too, that I took for $693 profit. Probably could have took a lot more on this trade, but let's take a look at it. All right, I'm going to go to the daily chart, and we're going to look at why this looked good over the trigger, which was 3150 today. First of all, 3150 is a whole number. Second of all, 3150 is where all of this consolidation right here is occurring. You notice that, yes, these candles are over that price point, but there's not one single daily candle that closed over the 3150 mark. There's also the 50 EMA right there. That's three things. That's big resistance, right? You have 3150 whole number resistance. None of the daily candles have closed over that resistance, and the 50 EMA is acting as a resistance. All right, so 5-minute chart time frame opened up and went immediately green and consolidated over 3150. Had I saw this, I probably would have taken the trade right here. I did not take that trade because I didn't see it until after this pop happened. That big pop happened on high volume, right? And so using the 1-minute chart time frame again, the first pullback that occurred right here is where I took my entry for this move up to the high of day. Again, I think I entered right at the low here. And I think I sold right at the high of day. I probably could have held for another you know, $400 to $500 profit, but I'm already up on the day. No reason to be greedy. $700 profit is really good. So I sold out right there, and this hasn't really presented another opportunity for an entry, although it looks good that it's consolidating here for the time being. That's it, guys. That's a quick breakdown on my FSR and Amazon trade today. Pretty close to $4,000 profit on the day, right before Thanksgiving, so I guess I'm going to go buy myself a turkey now. I hope this has helped you out. If it has, please let me know. Like the video. If you have any specific breakdowns that you want me to do, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to do that. If you are new to the channel, make sure you click the subscribe button. I've got a lot of great informational videos on price action. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you all in chat.